Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Noel, and if you're a new subscriber here, thank you so very much for joining in. I'm so grateful, I'm so thankful. And yeah, today guys is another new episode, and I'm gonna do the house chores like cleaning and some bit of cooking, and then that will be it. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe. You can also like my videos, comment, and more so share to your family members and your friends. And if you haven't turned on the post notification bell, please do so. And yeah guys, we are on the road to 600 subscribers, and we are three or four more. Please, if you haven't, please let's reach 600 subscribers in this video. I'll be so grateful. So without further ado guys, let's get into the video. Hi fam, we are here now, ready to start the chores, and it's around 12 at noon. It's almost 1 p.m. I just want to do these chores as fast as possible because I need to sleep. I'm going to work at night. And before that guys, I'm at a point in my life. I don't know if you have ever been in my position before, but I am at a point in my life where I feel like giving up because so much is happening right now, and it's really draining me psychologically, emotionally, mentally, everything. It's draining me, and anyway, TMI, I don't want to talk about it. Okay, let's stop it. I don't want to give up, and giving up is not an option. So let me do my part and God will do the rest. Yes guys, but pray for me for whatever I'm going through. Pray for me. Intervene. So guys, enjoy the video.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never ever hear me, bitch? Nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
So guys, I'm so tired. Let me show you the final reveal of the house, and then I go to kitchen and cook lunch. Okay. Voila guys, so now as you can see, this is our githeri. This is mixed maize and beans. It's homemade cooked. I cooked it yesterday night. Yeah, I prepared it myself. And then we have here onions, the water onions, or how do you call them? White onions, water onions, I don't know. Comment down below in the comment section. And then we have our tomatoes here already chopped. And then we have the garlic. So that's our ingredients. And maybe I'm gonna add this Royco cubes. And then we have the mixed spice. Yeah, so guys, let's get into cooking. But this one is gonna take a lot of time. Let me use this one because it's gonna fasten the process. Yeah, I don't have time, guys, so okay, let me put some oil. Okay. Yeah.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now,
Alright, my lovely people, thank you so much. I'm gonna end the video right here, right now. At least you've seen everything what I've done today, and I don't want this video to be so long. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in once again. I do appreciate. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, we are close to 600. Please, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe below here and turn on the post notification bell. So guys, without wasting more time, let me see you on my next episode. And ciao ciao, au revoir, I love you all.